Oh shit! Another world-first bridge in China is about to be completed. Once completed, it will break many records again. It is the Chongqing Shuangbao Bridge, which has won 3 world firsts. It is the world's largest double-arch bridge under construction. It is 5,300 feet long. The single-span bridge deck is 53 feet wide, and there are 6 lanes in both directions. It adopts a 2-arch design. It is located between high mountains and valleys. Because the river valley terrain here is W-shaped and has lava geology, engineers innovatively used a top-supported steel tube concrete arch structure in the design. The total length is 2,700 feet. It is the world's largest double-arch bridge under construction. The project completely shocked the world. From a distance, the bridge across the mountains looks like a soaring dragon. However, behind these super projects are the efforts of countless infrastructure builders. I don't know when the United States will be able to build such a magnificent bridge. As an American, I have to say that China's infrastructure